The game is Rubik's Cube. It will represent the cube's faces with the first letter of each color: W white, Y yellow, O orange, R red, G green, and B is blue. Your goal is to solve the cube by making moves. The Rubik's Cube, a classic puzzle that has captivated minds for decades, offers a delightful journey of challenges from easy to difficult levels. In this essay, we'll explore the twists and turns of the cube as we progress through different levels of complexity. Our adventure begins with a gentle introduction. The Rubik's Cube not only entertains but also sharpens our cognitive abilities, encouraging us to think critically and strategically.